Welcome to the H series of webinars. This series is aimed at new and aspiring sheep producers to give them a step up into the Queensland sheep industry. This Husbandry webinar is part 5 of the series and explores the basics of landmarking and pain relief options available to the sheep industry. This part of the webinar was delivered by landmarking contractor Tom Perkins on the 23rd of July 2020. This is clip 3 of 6 and covers health treatments and hygiene.
So moving on to the health treatments, which I'd say are vitally important, especially the three of the four. But so we'll start at the top. 6-in-1 vaccination for your clostridials, just a needle under the skin, probably either under the front leg in that little bit there under the skin, or at the butt of the ear. You've got the scabby guard scratch to prevent scabby mouth. We've all seen what scabby mouth is. It can be pretty ordinary in certain times. That scratch just gives them a little, under the front leg. It actually just gives them a little bit of the virus there, and as opposed to them getting it on their mouth and their nose. So and then trisulfan, well, anaesthetic application. I've put trisulfan there. I mean, I can't recommend that enough when you're mulesing. That's mainly when you're mulesing. It's just a fantastic product, and it can be 3 times dearer than what it is, and I'd still recommend it. And a fly control. I've put click there. Whether you're mulesing or not, you still use click on your rings, on your purse when you're castrating, and then on your tail. If you're just marking you're not mulesing, you'll use it on your rings or where you've cut the tail, and then also when you're mulesing as well for that fly control. And yeah, all those treatments are vitally important. With lambs worth good money now, those few dollars spent early on their life is definitely money well spent. Moving on to hygiene. Yeah, it's really important to keep your working area nice and clean. Keep the dust down to a minimum, and normally people have a table or in a lot of cases a 44-gallon drum. Just keep that nice and clean. Wash it down at the end of the day, and so it's ready for the following day. Keep your tools clean. Same thing. Ring applicator, knife, shears, etc. Whatever tools you're using. Ear marking pliers, ear marking, ear tagging gun. I've got a picture of Hibitane there. A couple of cupfuls in a bucket, and just keep that frequently changed to keep that solution clean as well. Keep rings and tags out of the dust. Just another one, exactly. Trying to prevent that or minimise your chance of infection. So just try and keep everything as clean. I mean, it can be a dirty working area for one reason or another. So just any little steps you can take to minimise that definitely helps prevent infection and probably enables that lamb in the recovery period as well. So that's your hygiene side of it.
Thank you for watching this short clip. For more information, please visit www.leadingsheep.com.au.